So today we were doing maintenance on a 2000 rm125, and here's what it looks like.
So today we're only going to be changing the air filter, or cleaning the air filter, because the oil isn't ready for a change. So as you can tell, it's pretty dirty. It's not bad. So first you gotta unscrew this bolt. Great, now we got the bolt unscrewed. Now, you just pop it off of there, twist it sideways and pull it out. You want to pull this over. First you want to take that off because it snaps onto there. Just put that on your bike. We can keep this on or we can take it off. I'm going to leave it on. Alright, so now we come over here. We're going to walk outside real quick. The hose is not on. So we're just going to give it a quick rinse. Alright, the quick rinse is done. I'm going to wring it out. Not too hard because these are pretty fragile, just made out of foam. Do it a second time. It's all wrung out.
Make sure you get out all the blood.
Alright, now we're going to come over here. And use a towel, dry it off faster. I'm going to just put it in the towel. Wrap it around. But use a dirty towel that can get sticky and oily. Help the dry out time. Now we're going to come over here. We're going to just set this someplace where it can dry. And I'm going to edit back over to it when it's dry. Alright, so we're back and the air filter is dry. This is Cleaner by PJ1. Quickly removes dirt and grime. You just want to spray this all over the filter, and this will get all of this dirt and grime off. Then we have the spray on air filter oil. You spray this on so it creates a seal. Alright, so now let's spray this. Let's do this outside. You want to spray it all around. Load it up. Make sure you get everything off. Alright. So now we're going to rub our fingers on it. It'll get all that. It'll get most of the oil and stuff out, the sticky stuff. That's basically what we want out. Because once that sticky stuff falls out, everything that was stuck to the sticky oil will fall off with the oil. Now this air filter would be pink like this, but it's been used for a while. Alright, now we're gonna wring it out. As you can tell, it's getting pretty clean. Now why it's blue right now, that is all the spray on oil. So now we're gonna come in here one more time and rinse it off. And look at all that black stuff coming off. Alright, so now as you can tell, it was starting to get pink, but this is as clean as it'll get because it's now stained from the air filter oil. Looks pretty clean. Alright, now we're gonna let this dry. I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so now we're back and the air filter's completely dry. A little bit damp, but that's alright. We got the air filter oil. Now, you're going to want to have gloves on for this because this stuff is very sticky to create a seam on there. Just want to spray it all around. Ooh. I'm almost out. Alright, so now as you can see, we have the whole air filter sprayed and cleaned. So now you're going to spread this all in with your fingers. Make sure you get down here because that's where the seam is going to be connecting. I actually forgot to put it on the inside, so let's do that now. Alright, so now we have the inside sprayed. I'm going to get that all. You want to get it basically all the way through. Just keep pressing your thumbs on it, work it in there. Alright, we can walk back over to the bike while I'm doing this. Alright, so now we have the air filter all cleaned up. You're gonna find where these go. So this will go like this because there's 3 holes. So now you want to put this in there. Alright, now you want to get it nice and situated around the frame, the air filter. Then you want to get the little pegs in here over these holes. So you want to make sure that everything feels right. Nothing's gonna fall out or slide out. You wanna make sure these are all on there. This one keeps sliding off, so we're gonna situate it to where it doesn't. Okay. So now I'm gonna put it in sideways, just like that. I actually have it upside down. So we're gonna put it in just like this. Okay, you wanna make sure that it's kind of tricky to line up. But it just takes some time. I think I got it. Now just press your air filter on there. Try to peek back at it. Yep, it's on there. That's how you put an air filter in. We're gonna take our gloves off. That's how you clean it. So now we're gonna get this bolt that goes in there. This is a pain in the ass to get in there. So you'll know that you have it on there right because there's threads in there. So you want to get that nice and tight. Make sure nothing's gonna fall out. Alright, so now we have the air filter in. It's nice and snug, it's not gonna fall out. The seal right there is nice, and that's what I was talking about, the stickiness. As you can see, it sticks to that, so nothing will get in there. Oh, my hands are really sticky. So now, we're gonna grab our seat. Push it on. Make sure that everything's nice and tight. You want to look up under. Make sure you got every inch. Now, get your bolts. They just go in there. I'm not going to screw them in because it takes forever. Okay, so now that we have everything on, I'm gonna give the bike a quick start up. Now that we have everything clean, it's all nice, looking good. We just have to screw these bolts in. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. I'll see you guys soon.